Hi guys, so I'm going to go out now and release the tickets. I have the tickets now here. Okay, I'm going now. Hello.
Ano siya, ma'am?
Mga gabi
36, ma'am. Isa na, match. Yo, Kape. Ay, paala na sa pikirin niya. Tunda lang ang number, ang oras.
Hello. Katang ni mo 17 ni sa lor.
Ano ne? Palihog ko rin kuha o sa pikirin, ha? Bugas na siya.
Bukid naman din ni diri lor. Ay, kuyo. Di enta mapaaka na ni lor. Pwede suga no. Katamak tagbitin diri lor.
Okay ra ba niya?
Di okay raman mo.
Ayo. Narin siya. Ano ra ka diyo? Asam ni dai. Pikiri.
Basaha lang, basaha lang.
Thank you, Dai na. Saya ha. Salamat kay
Wala sa bayan. Oo.
Hi guys, I'm gonna go out now to check on the distribution of the food packs. So the distribution will be from 8 a.m. to until 3 p.m. So every hour there will be only 15 people who will be claiming the food packs. So this is ideally. I just hope that people will follow their time assignment. Okay, so I will be going now to the merchandise store.
Ako lang tabunan ninyong naong. Dili ko usahan ninyo ha. Pero at least na nang milistahan. Okay? Ikaw yung sulat diri. Pamanik na mo dito. Kaya delikado tayo ha. So kani nasa lista. Dili ko ganang usahan. Panimuhangon na mo. Okay? Ate, ato lang ulit sa dapit ate.
That was the donation drive, the releasing of the food packs this morning until afternoon. Just to show you guys on the financial side, so this is the full payment receipt of food packs coming from the bake shop. So I tapped the bake shop because they are allowed to buy in bulk. If I will be the one to buy it in the grocery, I am only allowed to buy 5 canned goods and maybe limited number of sacks of rice. So it's good that I tap this store so that they will be the one to buy in bulk. Okay, now let's go over to the cost of the canned goods and rice. Today we have given food packs to 90 families. So in the food packs, there is 5 kilos of rice that cost 240 each pack, and then canned goods. So basically in the pack we provided 1 sardines, 1 beef loaf, 1 corned beef, and 5 eggs. So all in all, our budget is 31,500. So this is already paid. This was already paid, as you can see from the receipt. So it's already paid in full. This is the total YouTube donations through Super Chats. So I just want to give a shout out to AJ Lee. AJ Lee is my husband. Phillyboy08, Olivia T, Mr. Mitch Hitomi. So they were the ones who donated through the Super Chats. As you can see in this table, the YouTuber will receive 70% of the super chat, and then the share of YouTube is about 30%. This is the cost of using their platform. Okay, the actual YouTube payment I got is actually $168, so that is about 8,406 in Philippine pesos. Thank you so much to those who tuned in to my live stream last June 20th. Thank you so much to all who donated via the super chat. Now let's go over to our donations via PayPal. Okay, I just want to give a shout out to Park King. I also donated, Maestra Judy. And then Father Darek, he also donated. Hi, Father Darek. And then Mr. Per Olav Hofstad. Okay, thank you so much for donating via PayPal. So total PayPal donations is 21,359 and 58. Let's go over to the donations received from my neighbors. I just want to give a shout out to Dr. Marisa and Sir Benji, Ma'am Yvette and Sir Wendell. Thank you so much for your donation. So total donations from neighbors is 3,000. All in all, the grand total is 32,766 and 8 centavos. Okay, this is in pesos. Okay, 32,000 pesos, 766 and 8 centavos. So extra donation for the second batch food pack. So I have extra money here. That is 1,266 and 8 centavos. And then just tonight, I received a new donations coming from Miss Marjorie. She is from Singapore. So I just want to thank you so much for all your donations. The 90 families were so thankful because a lot of them have very limited resources. There are still a lot of families who are in need of food packs. Honestly, we had some challenges during the distribution of the food packs. One of the main challenge we had was to make sure those families who are not in the first batch list will go back home and not stay at the bakery, because we don't want to gather them there. So what we did, we asked them to write their names on the paper. So that list will become a second batch list. There was even a moment during lunchtime, the senior citizens were just sitting there waiting for us. Hopefully they will be given food packs. Writing their names on a paper gave them some sort of hope that hopefully help will come, for them. So we've decided to continue this donation drive. If you want to donate, please do so at budsandjudy@gmail.com. So I want to thank you all, guys, for all the help that you extend to Cebuano families. We really appreciate it. God bless you more. Continue to be a blessing to other people. I'll see you again in the next video. Okay? Bye for now.